Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix scrap mechanic DirectX error, Steam API init filet and MSVCR120.dll fix scrap mechanic crash fix. Go to the start menu and select any web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome. Go to google.com and hit enter and search for Visual Studio C++ 2015 space 22022 enter, and you can select the official site of Microsoft.com and click on this link and scroll down and select for your architecture. Right click in the start menu and select system, and you can show in this section your based processor. In this case is x64. Download for your processor. One click and wait a moment for the setup or wizard. Go to download directory, or in this option select show in folder. Right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and mark this option. I agree to license terms and conditions. Click on install. You must restart your computer before you can use this software. Click on restart to apply the change. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.